Coming off from MWC 2024, may baon ako pa uwi. And I have here is the all-new Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Itong phone na ito would not be released here in the Philippines, sad to say, kasi hindi ikaw ang target market and probably sabi nila wala ka pambili. Well, quoting from a very famous blogger. Ako personally, I'm a big Xiaomi fan kaya binili ko to just to unbox it para makita ninyo ang performance nitong phone na ito. In this video, you'll be seeing the unboxing and my first impression. Tara, simulan natin. And so finally coming home from MWC 2024, baon natin itong bagong-bagong Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And this is co-engineered with Leica. So ngayon, finally, may print sila powered by the Xiaomi HyperOS. And ang variant na hawak ko dito is a 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. Tara, buksan natin. Of course, nandito aking Xiaomi Blade. At open. Sarap mag-cut ng mga box, no? Ano, mga flagship phones. Yan. Dahan-dahanin natin. Medyo makapal ang box niya this time around. Medyo mas makapal konti sa Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Laki ng print ng Xiaomi dito. Yan. Co-engineered with Leica. And it's designed by Xiaomi. When ito SIM ejector tool, we have the user guide. And of course, ang kanyang hard case. Hindi siya jelly case, hard case. So by the look of this case, medyo makapal ang kanyang camera bump. Okay, nandito na aking phone. Yun. So natin a bit later. Tapusin muna natin unboxing natin, no? So Xiaomi is still using a A2C cable while all of the other brands are using C2C. Hindi ko alam bakit, no, na napag-iwan na si Xiaomi. Mga iba, normally C2C na makita mo, no, for more efficient charging. And 90 watts lang meron neto. Hindi man lang nila ginamit ang kanilang 120 watts. Dahil siguro iinit, kaya medyo binawasan nila. This is the same sa 13 Ultra. Binawasan nila ang charging capacity ng phone probably because of heating issues. And okay, going to the main course. Buksan na natin itong phone na ito. So, hawak ko dito is the color blue. Yun. So, yan, kita natin ang lens niya. It's a little bit different ng kanyang design from the 13 Ultra na meron ko rin. Though wala dito sa akin tabi, no? Might do a side-by-side pretty soon. And medyo umiba konti ang kanyang texture. So makita natin dito, shiny ang kanyang likod. Pero on this side, matte finish siya. And on the side frames, matte finish din siya, no? So, kita mo yung kanyang power button. Meron siyang grip dito para mas makapit lang. Then we have some antenna bands over here. Ibaba lang dyan ka ng loudspeaker, which I think nawawala ang IR dito. Most likely, in-incorporate na nila dito. Then, of course, it's still a curved screen. And medyo, medyo iba ang feel ko dito sa kanya. Kasi yung curve niya dito, may hangganan siya, no? Hindi siya infinity display, no? So, makita mo, medyo nakalitaw ang side frames niya dito. Unlike itong hawak ko na Xiaomi na 13 Pro, seamless siya, no? Wala kang masasalat na kanto. Parang smooth lang ang kanyang curve dito sa gilid. Like makita mo dito. But dito kay 14 Ultra, it's a little bit different this time around. And hindi ko na kailangan siyang buksan. I'm pretty sure wala naman siya expansion for microSD. So, i-boot up lang natin. Yan. Powered by Android. Xiaomi logo. HyperOS. Yan. So, ayun. Na-full setup na natin. Probably the next thing na wala dito is a Google Play Store. Punta lang kayo sa Get Apps. Type nyo lang dito, Google Play Store. Makita nyo dito, Google Play Store. Ayan. Click na na update kasi nakatago lang siya, no? So, ma-install siya in just a few seconds. Depende sa speed ng iyong internet, no? So, you'll see na, yan. Ganun lang, ganun kabilis lang. So, you're done. So, lalabas ka lang. Makita mo, si Play Store nandyan na. Sign in ka lang. So, I'll be signing in sa aking account. So, we have a solid na Google Play Store working dito. Walang problema. Yan, so, you can install all of your favorite apps dito in just a click of your hand. So, we'll not talk about the Google Play Store. So, we'll talk a little bit about yung aking first impression dito sa phone na ito. So, one of the things na a little bit refreshing dito sa kanya is yung pag-grip ko dito sa kanya. It's a little bit different from the 13 Ultra. But yung siguro pag swipe ko dito sa corner, nafe-feel ko talaga yung kanyang kanto. No? So, unlike si 13 Ultra, smooth lang siya, seamless lang siya. And this one is feeling a little bit iffy for me, personally speaking. It's a little bit more of a fusion ng curved screen together with a flat na side frames, yung para mala iPhone, no? So that's how I feel about this one. So you see a bit of little bit of the bloatwares na mabilis lang naman tanggalin. I-hold mo lang siya. Or kung gusto mo madalian, pinch mo lang. Then lahat ng di mo kailangan, just pull it out and uninstall. Ganun kasimple lang, no? So, you'll do it step by step. Mabilis lang naman siya. Then, just scroll lang tayo dito sa kanya. So, pagpasok sa My Device, you'll see a update na out of the box. So, she's good, no? May bagong update na siya. Then, scrolling through, you see a lot of mga medyo maninibago ka, no? If you're coming from UI 14, there's a little bit of a short learning curve lang naman, not too much. Kasi medyo ma-feel mo, medyo may pagka-iPhone-ish feel to, iOS feel. Itong si Xiaomi HyperOS. Then, scroll up, you see some of the display settings na pwede mong kalikutin. There's mga color scheme na pwede mong gamitin. Pwede mong gawing mas vivid, no, to look a little bit more, yung adjusted na saturation niya to make it look better. Adaptive colors, pwede mo i-turn on to give you that better na colors kung malakas ang ang ilaw. Then you can calibrate your refresh rate. I turned mine to 120. Then you can check your display resolution. Kung gusto mo sagarin mas maganda, definitely use WQHD+. So you can turn on yung mga AI na image engine to enhance your videos, just to put the best out from this phone. So, syempre, gusto natin sagarin, no? Since you bought this phone for you to enjoy, so might as well put everything to its maximum settings na pupwede dito sa phone na ito para ma-enjoy mo siya na maayos. Now, pagdating naman sa lock screen, hindi siya magla-lock, no? Pag nakatingin ka sa phone, which is something good. Kaya nang gamitin ka ng camera module dito to detect your eye. So, kailangan mo rin i-turn on ang kanyang pocket mode para hindi siya mag-unlock on its own. So, there's a lot of mga security dito na pwede mong gamitin. Screen lock, fingerprint unlock, and face unlock. And right now, gusto na natin quickly tingnan ang kanyang camera. So, pagpasok mo, you'll have to set yung kanyang camera. So, just need to agree. Okay, location access. Just allow. I'll choose between Leica Vibrant or Leica Authentic. Mas maganda tingnan lagi sa picture si Leica Vibrant. So, I'll suggest you see Leica Vibrant. So, pull down, see all of this menu. Okay, so you can change your aspect ratio dito. Turn on your AI. Then, some other motion tracking focus and mga assisted cam and watermarks. No? So, makita mo lahat dito. Then, let's just see yung video. So, you can use yung Master Cinema, no? To better enhance yung medyo may pagkamala cinematic finish, no? So, depende sa inyo how you want to shoot it. So, pwede mo naman siya i-calibrate dito once you want. Nandito lang sa gilid, no? So, you can change to 4K. If naka-turn off ang your HDR, you can shoot up to 8K and 30 FPS. Now, if you're turning on your HDR, you can only shoot up to 4K and 30 based dito sa kinakalikot natin. Now, looking at the front-facing camera, now this is probably the biggest improvement on the Ultra series. Now, this time you can shoot up to 4K and 60 FPS. It's about time, no, na si Xiaomi should adapt. Kasi they have been using 1080 and 60 sa kanilang mga flagship, which is, I think, probably one of the biggest disappointment for a flagship phone is having a selfie camera that can support up to 1080 and 60 FPS only. Now, it's about time, no, na finally they made it through, no, and of course, gusto natin tingnan some of the other stuff na pwede mo makalikot dito sa kanyang kanyang camera. You can also use your Pro mode dito. Okay, so lahat ng settings pwede mong kalikot. So you can use all of the different lenses like the ultra wide lens, the wide lens, the telephoto lens, and the ST. Okay, so super telephoto lens. So yeah, makakalikot natin to once we do our full review. Bilis ang shutter niya, kita niyo. Snap. Bilis. Then, let's take another sample. So dito is medyo low light. So tingnan natin ang samples, no. So what I see dito is a very vibrant na picture, and yung mga mga blemishes na dito kitang-kita. Hindi siya na smoothen out, and I think based on what I see, I'm seeing a very nice and very vibrant na picture dito. Medyo na-enhance siya kunti ang color ni Goku dito, ang kanyang damit. Hindi siya ganun ka-orange in actual, but dito medyo na-enhance siya, no? So you see, we'll be doing more of the camera review once we do our full review netong Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So I guess guys, nabigyan ko kayo ng quick full tour netong Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And if you have any questions and gusto nyo makover ko dito sa aking full review coming soon ng Xiaomi 14 Ultra, pop it in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to share and of course subscribe to my channel for more details dito sa Xiaomi 14 Ultra. And I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.